Your liver's detox process begins with phase one, where enzymes break down toxins into intermediate forms. But that's only step one. Day two is about powering this first phase and supplying the methylation nutrients that tag toxins for safe removal. Think of it as priming your liver's internal engines while reinforcing its safety net. We start strong with grass fed beef liver, nature's most concentrated source of choline, folate, B12, and heme iron. It's a metabolic ignition switch. Buckwheat joins in with energizing B vitamins and rutin, a bioflavonoid that supports liver enzyme function and vascular health. A side of fresh orange slices brings in vitamin C and citrus polyphenols to protect the liver and activate detox enzymes. Next, we layer in lean turkey breast, a clean protein that delivers B6, crucial for donating methyl groups and regulating detox pathways. Wild rice keeps things steady with fiber and selenium to help escort waste out of the body, while peeled orange slices top it off with vitamin C and citrus flavonoids, both powerful allies for glutathione recycling and cellular protection. In the afternoon, grilled trout offers a rich dose of omega 3s and vitamin D to reduce inflammation and nourish liver cell membranes. It's paired with mashed carrots for beta carotene to support tissue repair, and Swiss chard, one of the most potent leafy greens for antioxidant defense and B vitamin support. To round out the day, egg whites provide cysteine for glutathione synthesis, while zucchini adds B2 and manganese to support enzyme activity. We finish with walnuts and olive oil, two healthy fats that deliver vitamin E and essential phytonutrients to stabilize liver cell membranes and keep the detox process humming smoothly. Bottom line, day two fires up your liver's phase. One detox engines while reinforcing the methylation cycle that protects your body from oxidative stress. This is nutrient synergy at its best, fueling cellular repair, clearing waste, and laying the groundwork for true metabolic balance. Next up, day three, glutathione enrichment and antioxidative protection. We're entering the defense zone, supporting your liver's master antioxidant systems and shielding your cells from damage as detox deepens. Your liver's top line of defense? Glutathione, the master antioxidant that neutralizes toxins before they damage your cells. Day three is all about building up that internal shield with the raw materials and cofactors your liver needs to produce, regenerate, and deploy glutathione effectively. This is deep cellular protection from the inside out. We kick things off with mackerel, a selenium-rich fish loaded with omega 3s that boost antioxidant enzymes like glutathione peroxidase. It's paired with quinoa flakes, which offer complete amino acids including methionine and cysteine, key precursors for glutathione synthesis. Kiwi adds a juicy burst of vitamin C, which helps regenerate glutathione after it neutralizes free radicals. Meal 2 delivers grilled chicken thigh, providing cysteine and B6 to fuel glutathione production and immune resilience. Barley joins the mix for its selenium content and B vitamins, while ripe pear slices contribute natural fruit sugars, fiber, and vitamin C-rich antioxidants to protect liver tissue from inflammation and damage. In the afternoon, halibut delivers another clean dose of selenium and lean protein, working in tandem with mashed pumpkin, which brings beta carotene and vitamin E for lipid layer protection. Mustard greens round out this powerful trio. They're sulfur-rich, liver-loving, and support detox enzyme activation. We wrap the day with egg whites for more cysteine to boost glutathione levels, and steamed spinach to deliver glutathione precursors and folate for DNA repair and detox. Pistachios and avocado oil bring it home with vitamin E and anti-inflammatory fats that stabilize liver cell membranes and prevent oxidative injury. Bottom line, day three supercharges your liver's antioxidant systems, especially glutathione. You're not just eliminating toxins, you're reinforcing your liver's ability to defend, restore, and protect every cell it touches. This is the difference between surviving and thriving at the cellular level. Next up, day 4, bile flow promotion and fat detox support. We're heading deeper into detox. Next, it's all about getting bile flowing, breaking down fats, and flushing out what no longer serves you. Let's keep the momentum.